The Certificate 3 in Early Childhood Education is a really ideal course for somebody who may be looking for a career change. So you may be working in retail, customer service, hospitality, in some of those sorts of areas but you're thinking it's time for a career change, and it's also time to enter an industry that is experiencing tremendous growth. This course will then prepare you to then take up new jobs in the childcare sector, which is expected to be experiencing substantial demand over the next decade as the number of children needing care and also the government support for childcare really starts to take hold as well. An important aspect of any program, but particularly the childcare course at IHNA, is connection with industry. Students study online, which gives them ultimate flexibility, because if you're coming from another career, another role, you probably also are going to be studying whilst working and then having your other commitments. So flexibility is important. Online study helps you then complete all of the theory components online before you then come to campus to do simulation. Simulation, in a similar sort of area to what's behind me, will help with our experienced teachers, will help you then prepare to be able to deal directly with children in putting together and planning, but also then conducting structured childcare classes. Once you finish your simulation, you then progress out and move into industry. And the industry simulation is a very important part of this program. This is a skills-based profession. And so it's very important that you have as much time as possible to be able to practice your skills, and then working with our educators and also experts in the aged childcare centres, that you're then able to hone those skills and have somebody guide you before you then start working in those centres. The Certificate 3 Early Childhood Education program is the first step on your road to further education in the childcare sector. The Certificate 3 pathways directly into the Diploma of Early Childhood Education, which is 1 year for the certificate, 1 year for the diploma. Following that, you then have a couple of choices. You might then choose to either continue to work as a centre manager or in a centre with your diploma. You can then also pathway into a Bachelor of Early Childhood Education, or you may choose that you wish to you may want to progress into school teaching. So your Diploma of Early Childhood Education will then take you into various Bachelor programs, which will prepare you for then teaching roles as well. So this really is the beginning of a very long and fruitful journey into the area of childhood education, which has many aspects, both from 3 to 7 for kindergarten through to primary school as well. The Certificate 3 in Early Childhood Education is available online, and we have fabulous simulation labs in all of our campuses. So that's in CBD Melbourne, in North Melbourne where I am now, in Sydney and in Perth. All of our simulation rooms then look similar to what you see behind me. So that includes all of the equipment that you would find in a regular childcare centre, and then our educators and teachers, along with industry experts who come and visit with us as well, then take students through all of the various aspects of both planning a childcare session, delivering a childcare session, and then also all of the reporting and the requirements around that as well. So IHNA has campuses around the country. We have campuses in CBD Melbourne, in Heidelberg, in suburban Melbourne, in North Melbourne, and then we have campus in Parramatta in Sydney, as well as in CBD in Perth. The demand for childcare workers over the next decade is expected to be well over 40,000 workers required in order just to keep pace with the number of children entering into childcare and into early childhood care as well. So you can be confident that you're entering an industry that will have very strong demand and will continue to insist on professional standards, which you can only learn through a Certificate 3 or a Diploma of Early Childhood Education at IHNA.